Hiya, how are we all doing? So today I really wanted to do a style post. Now, I am the worst at this because I film on my iPhone and I can't seem to get the whole, I struggle with it. Anyway, I've done what I can do, so bear with, grab yourself a beverage. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put in the corner what the clothes that I'm wearing and talk about it, I guess. That's how I think it's gonna work anyway. Right, so first things first, I'm petite, I'm 4'11", so I'm very short. I have a big bum, I'd say I'm quite curvy. Yes, so it's very hard to get that kind of balance right, especially with spring and summer clothes. It's just so hard. Like, wearing a pair of shorts is really difficult. They're always so tight. It doesn't matter what size I got, they're so tight. Okay, so let's start off with spring essentials. Also, it's important to note that we have to be a little bit more sustainable with our fashion. You know, gone are the days of buying throwaway fashion. You're much better off buying key pieces that incorporate with the rest of your wardrobe that you can wear all year round, that you love and you're going to cherish. And that's going to last well. So looking for good quality material, well made, so it doesn't matter how many times you wash it, it's going to stay good as new. There is no point wasting money on throwaway, cheap fashion. So, and I'm not saying it has to be expensive either. You know, H&M, Topshop, but things that you're gonna wear, not just, oh, I can wear this once at a festival, never again sort of thing. So now I'm very conscious about how I buy things. It has to, every piece I buy has to be able to go with the rest of my things in my wardrobe, and that's how I do it. Right, so this is my first spring and summer dress. It's by Mango, but I bought it on ASOS. And if you're quick, you might get it in the sale. This is what I call a sort of, is it a tea dress or smock dress? And you can wear this in several ways. You can wear it on its own loose, which I love, because when it's hot and warm, the last thing you want to be wearing is tight clothing. It's just so uncomfortable. Now, I wore this dress a couple of weeks ago when it was really sunny and it was gorgeous. It's flowy, it lets the air flow under your armpits, it's loose over the stomach, so you're not like, you know, getting an afternoon bloat and being, you know, squashed in your clothes. For a barbecue, you can smarten it up with a belt and you can wear it all year round and keep it for summer. I love it, and floral is quite a big trend at the moment, but trend or not, these things always come back in fashion, these smock dresses. So it's a great one to wear if you don't want to wear a tight maxi dress, or, you know, you just want a little bit more of a cover up, and especially in spring when it's not that hot, it's still got the sleeves, so I love that. And you smarten it up with a belt, cinches the waist in, wear it with boots, wear it with a little leather jacket, perf. Next up, white jeans. Now, I'm not a fan of white jeans, and these aren't technically white. They are Crew, and these are the mom jeans from Marks and Spencer's, and I love them. If you are short like me, they do petite ranges, which is great, because back in the day it was really hard to get petite clothing. But these particular jeans are petite, and they are an off-white, so they are just, you don't feel too, oh, I can't sit down, you know what I mean? And I love pairing this with just a simple linen shirt. This one's from Barber, and it's just a blue and white stripe. It's, again, so versatile. You can wear it with your Breton, you can wear it, oh god, my nose is running now. You can wear it with a t-shirt, you can wear it with a jumper in the winter, and brown boots, a jacket, everything. It's just, they're versatile. Whereas I think white jeans for me is like a summer thing, and I feel like I can get use out of these, and they're comfortable. I mean, my goodness, I don't know about you, but after this lockdown, I can't squeeze myself into tight skinny jeans. It's just so uncomfortable. And the mom jeans is actually a good alternative. They're just comfortable, and it gives a bit more of a relaxed feel, you know? Next up this is a pair of shorts. Now, I bought these shorts about 2 summers ago, so they are still quite They're okay, they're all right, they're comfortable, they're not too short. And I like to wear it with a baggier t-shirt like this. So if I'm wearing something tight, as in short, I like something baggier on top just to kind of balance it out, and it just makes it look a little bit more put together. Again, I've added the belt because it's just so comfortable. And yes, these shorts, oh, pardon me, these shorts are only going to be worn in the summer, obviously. So I only buy one pair because, you know, it's not summer for long in England, and I rather wear other things. But one needs a pair of shorts, so there we go. And they are from Levi's, and I got them in the sale. And the next outfit, if I can remember, what's the next one? Oh, right, the last outfit is a skirt, a swishy skirt, top, and a lovely cute denim jacket. Now, this is one of my favourite looks for the summer. The denim jacket is the summer jacket. It's great for those cooler summer evenings when you're in the beer garden. But this one's really a bit smart and a bit different, and I got that from River Island. Might not have it anymore. You know, I'm like 10 years late when I come to these things. I only bought a couple of years ago. And then the skirt, I love these skirts. These were all the rage, I think, a year ago or something. But what I love about these skirts is you can wear them in the autumn and winter, or with a jumper and a leather jacket and boots. Very versatile. So I've paired it with a white vest top, but I think I like it with like a white t-shirt. So anything that's white underneath, I think it just brings it alive. And it's just a nice sort of, I'd like to call it a party piece, or I'm going for Prosecco at 6 o'clock in the evening. You know, I don't know. It's just a nice little alternative to jeans if you don't want to wear jeans. So yes, that is it. That's my capsule spring summer wardrobe. I'm not going to deviate from that. I'm not going to buy any more stuff. I bought this, I think, just before spring now. And I think when you get yourself a little ensemble of things to wear, you can put them in your wardrobe, get rid of all your winter stuff, put your spring and summer things. That way it's all there. Put the things that you can wear together. So I know I can pull that out and I can wear this together and I can wear that together. And it's just a lot more easier to navigate your clothing. And again, you can mix and match. And I think that's the best way to do it, really. And it's taken me ages to figure out how to dress, because it's really hard when there's certain trends that you want to follow, but it doesn't suit your body shape. So always go with your body shape. Another tip is look at a celebrity that's got your figure, and look at what they're wearing. It's no point looking at, you know, like it's no point me looking at Giselle. Do you know what I mean? It's just not gonna translate the same. So I've got to look at people that have got the same body type as me. And that's how I get my ideas. Pinterest is brilliant. You know, what do I wear with my white jeans? Pinterest, perfect. And I'll think, oh, I've got something like that in my wardrobe already. So there we go. Moral of the story is, don't spend loads of money buying loads of the same thing. If you like something and it's good quality and you know you're going to wear it, then buy it. And I love getting use out of things. I like buying something and wearing it and loving it. I don't want to just then throw it away a couple of months later. So those are my tips for you. And if you've got any tips for me, if you've got a body type like me, very short, very big bottom, it's hard to kind of get that balance, then let me know what kind of things do you wear. And a lot of these things, shoes wise, I do you know what I wear? Trainers, white trainers. At the moment, I love my white trainers with everything. Even with that dress, white trainers, perfect. I don't like to feel uncomfortable. This is a big thing. I need to feel comfortable. And God knows if I can ever wear heels again. Like, who knows? I mean, I struggle to walk at the best of times like a normal person. How am I going to wear heels? I can't even walk in flip-flops. Deary me. So I'm a trainer girl, and I just like the combination, the balance. I forgot to show you my sunnies. Never mind. You'll see them in an Instagram pic when I'm wearing that dress. So there we go. That's my spring, summer fashion capsule wardrobe. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you're well, and I'll chat to you soon. Ta-da!